Frustrated by the Microsoft Management Console 3.0 DLL software error message? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows architecture specialist, and I'm here to implement a permanent fix for your Windows environment. Before we begin our Microsoft Management Console 3.0 troubleshooting, you can follow the link below for a professional environment review. This is the Microsoft Management Console 3.0, the library for the Microsoft Management Console MMC version 3.0. It is responsible for rendering snap-ins like Device Manager, Disk Management, and Event Viewer. If corrupted, all administrative tools in the Administrative Tools folder will crash with an MMC could not create the snap-in error. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. Mmc30 is a fundamental part of the Windows execution layer. To fix it, launch Command Prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scan now to perform a diagnostic scan and repair of all protected system resources. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Microsoft Management Console 3.0 component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. If the restart failed to clear the system error, our next step is a deep cleanup of the OS servicing folders. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health. Then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, uses Microsoft's remote server repository to overwrite damaged system source files and restore your OS framework to its original state. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. If you're attempting to register Microsoft Management Console 3.0 DLL yourself, be aware that manual file placement frequently leads to severe software layer conflicts and long-term data corruption. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. Review repair-related information for Microsoft Management Console 3.0 by consulting the diagnostic utility linked below. I'm Sophie Chen. If this guide resolved the DLL error preventing Microsoft Management Console 3.0 from launching, please subscribe for more verified engineering fixes.